Let's all face it, when it comes to gifting, men have always been super unfortunate. Most of the time, people in their life don't have any idea what to give to them or what would make a great, meaningful gift. And today, I'm going to attempt to try to fix that and give you 9 best ideas or recommendations that I feel men in your life will greatly appreciate. So, let's start. Hi, my name is Ayan, and on this channel, I talk about tech, travel, transform, and everyday carry. And today, I want to fix the biggest problem that a lot of people face when it comes to gifting for men. I want to give you a definite guide and 9 recommendations that would make a great gift for any men in your life. Whether it's your father or your brother, your better half, or even the bros in your life, this will make the great gift. So to kickstart this gift guide, my philosophy has always been not to go super expensive on the gift, but it should be high quality enough that they can use every day. They should remember you whenever they are using it, and it should be something meaningful related to their life. I can only give you generic recommendation which I feel a lot of men would appreciate, but you can top it up and customize depending on the hobbies, depending on the interest of the men in your life. Starting from the very first, it's a tactical belt. So don't get me wrong, I totally love a leather belt, but for everyday use, a tactical belt is a great piece of accessory for men. So tactical belt is something similar to this where you just have a buckle and the buckle really comes out with the super easy action. So this is the belt that you could get. It's made of a really great quality nylon material, and the buckles over here are also very great. See, it's not going anywhere. The lock is super strong, and it can also use and double up as a bottle opener for beers with the buddies and whatnot. So yeah, that was my first recommendation. Go for a great quality tactical belt. Talking about number 2 in my list is a great pen along with some inks. So I have been using fountain pens for a very long time, and it's a great hobby to get into. So you can have a couple of fountain pens, and a great part about this hobby is you can experiment with a lot of different inks. So for example, I have bought this great bottle of ink from Japan made up of cherry blossom flowers, and I have poured this ink onto one of my pen, and I can have great conversation with people who were asking. So these fountain pens are by Lamy. This is called Lamy Safari, and I have been using it for a very long time. I also have fountain pens with Muji, which are a little bit less expensive compared to the Lamy Safari one, but are equally great. So I believe fountain pens makes for a great gift, especially when combined with a great quality ink and some writing pads or journal. Once again, it's totally my recommendation, and I love fountain pens. But if you think it's not suitable for your man, then you can also give them a roller pen, especially from Parkers, which makes a really great gift. But a pen along with a very good journal makes for a perfect gift. Alright, so the next gift recommendation that I have has the capability to push them out of their comfort zone. I'm talking about a drone. So it's crazy that over the years, drones have become really easy to fly, accessible, and also becomes really cheap. And after the pandemic, people are especially spending long times at home. So drone is a great hobby to go out and explore and create beautiful images and videos out of it. So I really wanted to put a drone in my gift recommendation guide, which will actually push them to go out and create something. Talking about going outside, one great way of going out and meeting new people is in golf course. So you can definitely buy golf course membership or also lessons where they can go and learn golf, and it's a great way, especially nowadays it becomes more and more accessible. Comparatively, it's a really slow and laid back sports with majority of people enjoy. I personally really enjoyed golf after taking a couple of sessions in golf course. On top of that, you get an opportunity to meet a lot of interesting people and crack conversations. So I would highly recommend gifting them golf sessions. Alright, on my list should be a no-brainer, a pocket knife, and I don't remember how many times I have advocated for everyone to carry a pocket knife. It's not something to threaten anyone, it's something that is a great tool in your pocket. You can do a lot of different things, and the moment you start adding a pocket knife in your everyday carry kit, you will realize that this is a tool that you have been missing for a very long time. It doesn't have to be super expensive, so I will definitely put out some of the recommendations in the description below, but highly recommend trying a pocket knife as a gift for your man. Similar to pocket knife, if you think that is quite straightforward and might be dangerous, then you should try a multi-tool. A multi-tool has a lot of different tools to get the job done, from screwdriver, pliers, wire cutters, even a small knife and a blade, sometimes with saw and filing tools. So that is something that I would highly recommend, and usually I would recommend going for a great quality Leatherman multi-tool, but you are not sure that the man you are gifting this for would love it or not. So I would recommend to start it with this Stanley multi-tool that I have bought from Amazon for relatively cheap. This makes a great pocket tool and a lot of things can be done. So do give it a shot, and I'm very confident that the person receiving it will be quite grateful. Alright, so talking about the next piece of gift is a great pair of slippers. So in the culture of having sneakers and a lot of amazing dress shoes, a slipper is something that a man highly neglects, and that is where you can come into picture and buy them a great quality slippers. So the slippers that I just showed you is from Birkenstock. It's made up of great leather and cork material, quite comfortable, and if you care for them, it will last you a really long time. So that is why I highly recommend to give them a slipper, a great quality one. My recommendation is Birkenstock. Of course, they are not sponsoring this video, but I have been using them for very long time, and I can safely recommend it. For my my next gift recommendation coming at number 8 is a slim wallet. And again, this is a no-brainer if the person you are picking gift for don't have a slim wallet yet. If they're still carrying those old grandpa wallets in the back pocket, then it's time for you to give them a gift and upgrade them to the world of slim EDC wallet. I have a lot of recommendations on slim wallet. You can check out the videos, link will be in the description. Alright, so for my last gift recommendation, if you are below 18 or 21 in some state, it's time to turn off this video because it's a bottle of great whiskey. I don't advocate for excessive drinking, especially under social pressure, but I'm sure the person you might be picking it up for are responsible. So this is the bottle of Monkey Shoulder, which is a blended Scotch whiskey, which I absolutely love. It's definitely one of my favorite, and I really enjoy this whiskey. But of course, there are a lot of many options out there. Depending on the preference, if they like single malt whiskey, then you can pick different whiskey. But yeah, I would highly recommend giving them as a gift. If the person you are looking for a gift is not into whiskey but any other spirit, then you can also pick a great bottle of that spirit. For example, I really enjoy my gin. So this is a gin bottle by Roku from House of Suntory, Japan, and this is a really great gin. This one is actually special edition, which is made during the Sakura Blossom edition. But yeah, in short, a great bottle of spirit for the man in your life makes for the great gift. Alright, so that was all I wanted to share in this video. My gift guide for man in your life in 2024. Let me know what you think about it, which one you gonna pick and gift it to whom. If you want to check out 8 items that I think every man should put in their EDC kit, then do check out this video. And if you want to check out small multi-tools that you can put in your keychain, then this video will help you out. I hope you really enjoyed it and learned something new. And on that note, I'm gonna see you in the next one.